Hey guys, it's Kevin. I've got another video here. This video is actually a variation off of one of Houdini's tricks. Now, the illusion Houdini used to perform, he performed it in the 1915s to about 1920. So when Arthur Conan Doyle actually watched Houdini perform this illusion, he believed that the magician dematerialized. So this is my take. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that illusion. That is one of my personal favorite illusions, brought off of one of Houdini's personal favorite illusions. So if you did enjoy the illusion, don't forget to leave a comment in the comments below. Click the like button if you enjoyed it. And also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Now you can find other videos like this in my YouTube channel, or you could go onto my website, which is www.theeluder.com, or you can find that in the descriptions below, or you can click on the sanitation right here. And don't forget, on top of my website, I am still issuing my challenge, which is any escapes that you guys want to see me perform that you don't think that I could do, to leave a comment and be sure to let me know, so that way I can take that on and show you guys just what it is I can pull off. Plus, I love the opportunity to bring you guys what you want to see. So don't forget to let me know what that is. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time.